Welcome back! You're here for another Minute Monday. Today we visit McWay Falls in Big Sur, California. So let's not waste any time. Throw a minute on the clock. Let's get going.
What happened was the first colonizers here realized how great the surf was, and one of them said, we should call this Big Surf. So they took their only piece of paper and their favorite green crayon, and as they're writing Big Surf, they realized they were writing the letters a little too big. So you get to the end of the page and they had Big Sur, and there was nowhere to put the F. And they had no more paper, so they decided to just keep the name as Big Sur instead of Big Surf. The more you know.
Less than 40 miles from Carmel on the California Pacific Coast is Julia Pfeiffer Burns State Park. Here you will find an 80-foot beach waterfall called McWay Falls. They call it McWay Falls because of the giant waterfall right there. How could you possibly miss it?
We just completed that ridiculous 30, 40 something mile hike.
No.
Yeah, it's not for the faint of heart.
It was a half mile. Actually, it's probably
Cut.
it was a quarter mile.